And welcome to part 2 of solving systems. This time we're going to be solving systems using substitution. And it's exactly what it sounds like. We're going to substitute things. So let's get a system first. Now, when we substitute, basically we pick a letter to solve for, x or y, doesn't matter, and we plug it into the other equation so we can get rid of one of the letters. Now, it does not matter which one you solve for. If you already have it set up like this, we have y equals and y equals, you're good to go. Now, if it's not set up like that, then you can choose what you want to solve for, but we'll get to that in a second. So to solve this, I have y equals and y equals. I'm going to substitute. I'm going to replace this y right here with this y value. Because I'm saying y equals x plus 7, I can replace this y with x plus 7. That gives me x plus 7 equals negative 4x plus 8. So all I did was just simply replace it. That's all. Simple substitution. Now solve your equation. Let's add 4x to each side. That gives me 5x plus 7 equals 8. Subtract 7. 5x equals 1. Divide by 5. And x equals 0.2. Or 1/5. Whichever, doesn't matter. For plugging in, it's easier to use decimals, but whatever. So x is 0.2. Now, use either equation, plug in your x value, and get your y. I'm going to use this one down here because it's easier to work with. There's only an x instead of a negative 4x. So 0.2 plus 7 equals 7.2. That's it. That's all it takes. So your solution is 0.2, 7.2. Make sure it works, plug it in to each equation. So let's erase this. And this. Remember, to work, it must make both equations true. So if I go up here, 7.2 equals negative 4 times 0.2 plus 8. So 7.2 equals negative 0.8 plus 8. So 7.2 equals 7.2. Yes. And then down here, 7.2 equals 0.2 plus 7. 7.2 equals 7.2. Yes. So my solution works, and I have an answer. And everyone's happy inside. Let's try a second one here. Y equals 2x, and 7x minus y equals 15. So again, you always have the choice to rearrange things if you want to. But this is pretty straightforward, I think. Replace this y with this value. So 7x minus 2x equals 15. 5x equals 15. X equals 3. And then y equals 2 times x, so 2 times 3, 6. So your answer is 3, 6. That's all this takes. That's all you have to do with this. It really is. I know it sounds kind of weird, but that really is all it takes. All right, now for a little harder one. This time around, there's nothing nice and pretty. You don't have y equals or x equals. You've got a pretty ugly looking system, honestly. So you have a choice to make. You have to choose a letter to solve for, and choose which equation you want to work with to solve it. You can solve for y, you can solve for x. It doesn't matter. You will get the same answer when all is said and done. Now, my personal recommendation is to always go as easy as possible. Make your life easy. If I solve for x up here, I got to divide everything by 2. I'll have like 1.5 and 2. And that's bearable, but it's kind of ugly. If I solve for y, I got to divide by 3. So I have like 2/3 and 4/3. I want to avoid that. If I solve for x here, I got to divide by 6. So I have like 1/6 and 7/6. I don't want that. If I solve for y, I got to divide by 1, which is going to be really easy to do. So I'm going to take this equation here. I'm going to solve it for y. So y equals 6x minus 7. Now, I take this part here, I go up top here, and I plug it in. So 3y means 3 times y. Y is 6x minus 7. And then plus 2x equals 4. Distribute 18x minus 21 plus 2x equals 4. Combine like terms. 20x minus 21 equals 4. Move 21 over. 20x equals 25. Let's divide by 20 here. X equals, let's see, 5 over 4, which is 1.25. So now that I have x, I can go back and find y. And I'm just going to use this one right here. It's easy to plug into. Y equals 6 times 1.25 minus 7. So 6 times 1.25 is going to be, oh, you make me think now, aren't you? That's not nice. Let's see, 5/4 times 6. 30 over 4, 7.5 minus 7, so 0.5. Your solution is 1.25, comma, 0.5. Or 0.5, doesn't matter, either answer's fine. And you're done. That's all substitution takes. Pick a letter to solve for. If they already have one written out for you, use the one they gave you. I mean, I would. And from there, you're going to plug it into the other equation, solve the letter, go back, plug that value in, get your final answer, and write it as a point, x comma y. That's all it takes. Simple, easy. See how much fun that was? So up next, we'll cover part 3, elimination. I love saying elimination method. It's just, oh, so much fun. Elimination. Try it. Just try it. Elimination. See? Sounds awesome, doesn't it? Well, that's up next. Not this time. Next time.